What is up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? This is Moto Noir. I am out and about. Continuation, part 2 of the ride with the
Riding Bikes NYC.
And now we're heading to Coney Island. Do a little walk around. I don't know, man. It looks like it's gonna freaking rain. I hope not. I really hope not. But yeah, man, it's gonna be freaking awesome. Flippin' awesome. Gonna see the sights. Maybe walk the boardwalk. Coney Island is not open yet. But what the hell, you know? What the hell? May as well. Not like we got much going on today. This is a very slow Sunday. Sunday, Coney Island. Alrighty then. Coney Island Beach. It has been a while. Actually, not that long. I used to come to Coney Island quite a bit. They have like this, what are they called? The Coney Island, there's a baseball team. Freaking minor league baseball team. Great fun. You can actually go and take your family there, see a baseball game, and not spend hundreds of thousands of dollars. Meaning it's just not very expensive. Ambulance. Going straight, yep. I mean, the area around Coney Island isn't exactly the greatest, but it's also not the worst. I've seen far worse. A lot of tourists come to Coney Island. It does have kind of a famous boardwalk, but it's also just a place where everyday New Yorkers go to get away from the big city. The big city. Look at these interesting places, man. Oh yeah, the Coney Island Cyclones. I'm an idiot. Of course, because they're named after the roller coaster, the Coney Island Cyclone. So this is the baseball stadium here. I've been to quite a few games. I actually went to one with my ex-girlfriend, and we actually went down on the field and sang "Take Me Out to the Ball Game." It was part of like a birthday party. Pretty freaking funny. And there's the Cyclone. The world famous, rip your ears off and make your eyeballs bleed Cyclone. Wait, it's called the Thunderbolt? God, I am not a good New Yorker. I'm really bad. I'm a really bad New Yorker. Should turn in my New Yorker card. It's really not anything special, but it's fun. It's fun. See, this is all for the tourists that come here. Texas chicken and burgers. I mean, because yeah, Texas is really famous for its chicken and burgers. Not really. Look at this. Oh, there is a I'm a freaking idiot. I really am. I should turn in my New Yorker card. Just turn it in.
Your shit goes upside down.
Yeah. Which one is this? Oh, it's the Phoenix. There's one that's called the Thunderbolt, and then also the Cyclone, right?
The Cyclone is over there.
It's the wooden one, right?
Yeah, that thing is...
It's old too, right?
How many freaking riders they have?
Yeah. When was the last time you were here?
A decade ago.
Really?
Probably, yeah.
We used to come and go to baseball games. You don't want to go see the beach?
Wait, can we leave the bikes here?
For like 10 minutes or something, yeah. Yeah, I feel like there's even more going on than the last time I was here.
Well, all these buildings are brand new also.
Yeah. It's crazy how all of this just closes down for so long and then it's just open during the summer.
When do they open it?
I think middle April, May. No motorized or electric bikes, scooters, or ATVs.
Not riding a motorcycle here.
Yep. Just so you know, this is not a place to ride a motorcycle. Wow. Well, here's the famous boardwalk. And the famous Coney Island beach. So many syringes can be found on this beach. Yeah. It's freaking windy, man. Not bad.
Good old Atlantic Ocean, and that's the Rockaway over there.
Yep. That way. Right? On the other side. A little further down. The Atlantic Ocean. See? New Yorkers, we got everything. Got mountains, just a few hours away. Got a beach right here. Loves Ute. Jesus love you. Yes, he do. When this place is actually open, it's pretty fun.
Specific entrance for the Wonder Wheel. Oh.
Man, this looks sketchy as fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's bodies in there for sure.
And like put you into indentured servitude. Like carnival.
Yeah, the carnies. Yeah, right. Okay. Well, that was an adventure.
We're gonna figure out where we're going.
Yeah.